Good morning mga kapagsik. Now we're going to change the propeller of the DJI Neo. Ang stock niya ay 3-bladed propeller. Papalitan natin ng 5-bladed propeller from Gemfan. The size is 50mm 5-bladed propeller, which is we need some screw here. The screw is M1.2 by 6mm. We will check if the noise is going to reduce or it's the same. So stay with me. So I'm going to get the decibel meter for this propeller. See you guys. This is guys, this is our DJI Neo with a 5-bladed propeller. See you on my next flight. Bye bye mga kabagsik.